Europe hit by severe floods in the north and heat waves in the south. Heavy rainfall and storms wreak havoc across northern Italy, France and Germany, while southern Italy endures an unusual heatwave. Northern Italy has been hit by severe storms and heavy rainfall, leaving several regions, including Padua and Vicenza, submerged. Emergency services have been mobilized, using dinghies to rescue residents from flooded homes, while cars float in the inundated streets. Milan recorded an unprecedented 130 mm of rain in a single day, resulting in a flash floods not seen in over 170 years. In contrast, southern Italy is experiencing an unseasonal heatwave, with temperatures soaring to 35 degrees Celsius in Sicily. France is also experiencing severe weather, with Météo France placing 39 departments under yellow alert for thunderstorms. France experienced an exceptional rainy episode on Friday due to a vast cold drop that formed over the southern Germany. The rain began on Thursday evening and continued unabated until Friday evening, lasting a full 24 hours with sustained intensity. Both Rhine and Moselle were the most affected regions, with total rainfall measurements in this area described as unprecedented. In Moselle, a station of Hestorf registered 101 mm. Many stations in these departments recorded between 70 and 90 mm of rainfall, equivalent to a month and a half of rain. In western Germany, heavy rainfall has led to flooding and landslides in the state of Saarland, the state capital Saarbrücken, and other municipalities have been seeing significant evacuation due to rising water levels. The State Interior Ministry has described the situation as a widespread flooding, with the Neunkirchen district, the Saarpfalz district and the Saarbrücken Regional Association is particularly affected. The German Weather Service recorded massive rainfall in the Saarland on Friday, for which rivers and infrastructure were not prepared.